Sunday, the 13th of April, 2025. Stone Mountain, Georgia. They call this Main Street. If we were to turn left here at the light and go down and cross old US 78, it would turn into Ponce de Leon and take us into Decatur. We're going to go to the right, and when we come out of town, I think it changes over to Stone Mountain, Lithonia. We just uploaded a video. We don't have it published yet. It's still running checks on it. From south of Lawrenceville on US 29 through Lilburn, and then over here through Stone Mountain. Our intention was to get into Decatur and maybe Atlanta, but traffic has already reared its ugly face, and so I don't know what we're going to end up doing. We'll just take it as it comes and see where we end up. 54 degrees, going to 70, I think, later this afternoon. Very nice spring morning. I have always loved Stone Mountain, Decatur area, Glenwood area, all that over south DeKalb. To Decatur, Emory, Tucker. Let's see if we can pick up a sign saying what this is now. Still says Main Street. We need to walk some tracks, don't we? CSX pickup truck just came down through here, I guess, checking the tracks. Well, South DeKalb was my area when I was working with that foreclosure investment company. We bought a lot of houses over here. We were buying 250 to 350 houses a month total out of the Atlanta foreclosure market. Did that for about 14 months. Maybe longer than that. Maybe almost 2 years. Yeah, close to 2 years. Okay, what does the sign here say? This is Rockbridge. This will take you right up to 78. Or 78, no, it'd be 10. 78 forks off up back there at Stone Mountain Freeway, doesn't it? Takes you up to Memorial Drive, and 10. To the left, it'll dead end into 124 between Lithonia and Snellville. We're going to go down and cross over. I guess we'll be going out Panola. Cross over, go take Panola to Redan, take Redan and back to Covington Highway. out Walker Road, but I can't place where it comes out. I guess it comes out on Redan. Stuff, you know, I know we got 2 or 3 houses off Walker, but we bought all kinds of, a lot of houses out here. Says Stone Mountain, Lithonia. Old Stone Mountain, Lithonia. That's what I thought. Get out of town. And when it crosses over the tracks and it hits Redan, I don't know if it's Redan there or Stone Mountain, Lithonia. It's probably Stone Mountain, Lithonia. Will take us over, I think, all the way to Wesley Chapel. It'll take us over and cross I-20, but we're not going that far. We're going to take Redan back into Covington Highway. Right up here at this station on the right, on this corner up here. When I was over here all the time, I said people talking about welfare and food stamp, all kind of fraud. They said, well, you can't get out of food stamps now. You can't sell your food stamps that are on your WIC card or whatever. Well, I've seen it here at this store right here, and I've seen it at another store on Redan. You know, these little stores have outrageous prices on milk, eggs, bread, that kind of stuff, essentials. People will get 2 or 3 gallons of milk, they'll get 2 or 3 dozen eggs, they'll get 2 or 3 loaves of bread, the essential things that are priced out of sight. They'll go up to the register and they'll ring them up, get a total, whatever it is. They put that back, and the clerk or whoever's running the thing and telling them what to do will maybe give them 20%, maybe 30% of that value. Then they'll get cigarettes, beer, wine, whatever they want. But there's a trade equity balance that the store owner gets that huge profit on the essentials, plus he's only going to give them 20 to 30%, if that much, of the value. And so he is making money head over fist. Now I can't say it's still going on, but I saw it there and I saw it at another store up here. Let's see, what corner is it going to be on? There's Redan Trail or Trace. Up here, it'll be on the right hand corner, up here at the corner of South Harrison. So don't tell me you can't beat welfare and food stamp. Where there's a will, there's a way. If they want to get around that, yeah, that was Martin Road, comes out right there. Was that Redan High School? Yeah, that was Redan High School. Kevin Butler went to school there. UGA punter, field goal kicker. Chicago Bears. Yeah, if that's happening over here in these 7-Elevens or gas stations, whatever you want to call them, in just these two within a 2, 3, 4 mile radius. It's happening everywhere, all over the country. Harrison will take you over to Wesley Chapel to the left, and to the right it takes you across Memorial Drive. I don't know where it changes into Mountain Industrial, maybe at Memorial Drive, or it could be at Stone Mountain Freeway. But yeah, right here at this BP, they did the same thing that they did back yonder. We're going to lose this lane. We need to move over one. And like I said, to the left, I'll take you on South Harrison will dead end into Wesley Chapel. Yeah, before you get to I-20. If you go left and to the right, I'll say well, actually you can go it 140, Georgia 140 picks up on Jimmy Carter Boulevard. You could actually go from Wesley Chapel all the way to, I don't know what you're honking at. I've got my left blinker on. I'm not trying to come over in front of you. 140 will go all the way over to Armurchie, north of Rome, south of Somerville. Some people like that horn, don't they? Maybe they were honking at somebody else. I don't know. Who knows? People are crazy. Yeah, that house right there in the back. That was one of the houses I've written about. That one and the one next to it. New homes there. Crystal Lake, new homes, hundreds. Good Road will take you over to Pine Lake. And then does it turn into Rays or whatever, or does that cross? No, I don't know. I think Pine Lake. We need to go down Pine Lake one day, go down around the lake. There's several homes down here on the left, on this road here on the left, Old Coach Road. Right here on the left, that one, first one on the right when you go up. I know we did that one. Indian Creek Drive to the left will take you over to Covington Highway. To the right will take you over to Rockbridge, right at Memorial Drive. Try to get some video for our Avondale friends. One of my subscribers asked me to join the Avondale group, so I did. Feel sort of odd in it, but I did. But they'd watch more of my videos and participate more of the stuff than my Decatur friends do. I don't know what's up with that, but they do. Okay, we're going to go left here. We'll come out on Covington Highway. All that's new. This stuff wasn't here when I was over here working. Yeah, all you Decatur folks, y'all need to show up. Avondale's beating your socks off. Quite a few people in the Briarcliff group, but I haven't posted anything over there in a while. So I don't post in the groups anymore. I guess some people complained about the posting in the groups. So the old Ridgeway was right there. That was Mama's Country Showcase, but yeah, the old Ridgeway and the Mama's Country Showcase were back there. Here we are at Covington Highway. One of the last houses I did for that company was right there on the left. Turned right there at Lakeshore, up there on the left. How long is this video? 12 minutes. Huh. Well, why don't we turn this one off and start another one? This one's 13 minutes long. That'll be from Stone Mountain to Covington Highway. This one, next one will be from Covington Highway to Avondale Lake, maybe Avondale.